smell something.
Let's get in the shop and build something.
Alright guys, we're back in the shop tonight. I ordered the lines I needed for the Nitrous from Red Horse. Believe it or not, they were actually a decent amount less than Nitrous Express or some of the other ones that I saw. So I went with them because I know they're good quality stuff. And no, I'm not getting paid to say that. I just have found every fitting I have ever bought from them has been fantastic quality. I love their the braid that they have for their AN hose. Let me show you. Like this, it's just a real tight braid, so it makes it super duper easy when you cut your ends off or cut a length. I just put a little piece of tape on it, then the fitting slides right over it. Take the tape off and put the ferrule in there, and up she goes. It's great. I really like their stuff. I'm going to run their line and I'll show you what I've done so far. I got the front line ran. Let's flip a light on here. Okay, so as you can see, I have the line here. I've got all this hard mounted, got my bracket made, all that. I've got this in tight. It goes up. Ran it through the front over there, as you can see. And I had to turn my nitrous solenoid. I didn't want to, but I had to, because I could not get this fitting to come over. I needed it to come over another 45 degrees, and I just couldn't get it. So basically the reason was, originally with the Nitrous Express kit they had a straight in here, 1/8 inch pipe to -6, and when I had the solenoid turned, that didn't work so well. It was hit, the hose was going to hit right here, and I didn't want that. So I put the 45 on it. Well, then I couldn't get it turned as far as I wanted to. So now in hindsight, I wish I'd have left the straight on and then just come right out. Just come around the corner and right into it. But I already had that on, and it is what it is at this point. Now I've got the purge solenoid here I'm dealing with. It came with a plastic line for the purge, and I really didn't want the plastic line because I want to be able to route it over and tuck it nice and come up somewhere like right in here, come up and out. Not because I'm trying to be showy, but that way I can see it and I can know, yes, nitrous is coming out. So I've got it purged down and I don't have any air in it. So I think that's what it originally started out as, why you saw a lot of people doing that, just so they could visibly see, you know, what's coming out. And then it maybe eventually evolved into show, and had double shooters, and I could do that too. I could put a T and I could shoot 2 different directions if I wanted to, but I'm not worried about that. I'm just worried about purging the air. So anyway, I got that. The front line is done. Now we're getting ready to start on the back line. And what I've done so far, this is the hose that comes with the, that I ordered from Red Horse. I've got it going through my hole. I've got my grommet all ready so that once I get it all fed and routed and all that good stuff, then I'll put my grommet in there so it's not rubbing on the steel. So anyway, let me get down underneath, get some lights so you all can see, and we'll see if we can get this other line routed and tied. So it's going to go, I got to get it back here. This is a nitrous pressure switch for the blanket, so that once it reaches the preset temperature, it shuts the heater system off. So that's got to come. And I really thought there would be heavier wires on this. I bought this blanket used, and somebody did with the, yeah, that's like amateur hour. We'll take that off and get that set up right. I'll probably put a connector on it. That's what I'll probably do. And get rolling. So let me get things repositioned here and we'll get back at it. On something. I don't want that hanging down. Choose that so we can. Well. That takes care of that. Now it's on to the wiring. The fun stuff.